Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am gonna explain about Java inheritance and method overriding and overloading. As a first, I will explain about Java inheritance. Okay. In Java, inheritance lets one class take properties and methods from another class. It helps reuse code and create a class hierarchy. It means if we have common methods and properties, we can add that into a common class. And if we need to use that methods and properties from children class, we can extend. We can use keyword is extends. Okay. I will explain with my code example. In my code example, you can see there are two classes, parent class and child class. Parent class has three constructor, two are parameterized constructor, one is default constructor. In the child class, as it is same, has been added into children class. Okay. I am going to create a new object from my child class. Okay. When I run this code, you can see output as this. When I create an object, this sout should be triggered, but you can see output as parent class and child class. It means if we don't add super call inside the child class constructor, super call will be automatically triggered. I will confirm that scenario. I am going to pass one argument and when I run this code you can see parent class int and child class. It means one parameter related constructor will be printed in parent class. It means if we don't pass any super call, if we don't pass any argument with super call, it will be automatically trigger default constructor of parent class. That's the reason you can see output as parent class and child class both. Okay. And I will explain how to use parent class related method from child class. I am going to add method into my parent class and sout with that. If I need to call this method, we can simply call this one inside my child class. When I run this code, you can see super call has been printed as a plus. Then you can see method 1 related sout has been printed. Finally, you can see output as child class. Okay. With these scenarios, I am going to explain method override and overloading. I am gonna add same method into my children class. I have changed the S out of my children class. Okay. When I call using children reference to method 1, you can see output as method call from child. It means parent class has a method 1. Also, child class has a method 1. When we call using child class reference, it should be a child class related method. The reason, if we define same method inside child class, from this method has been override the parent method. We can say this scenario as method overriding. That means parent class related method 1 has been overridden by child class method. That's the reason. We can say this scenario as method overriding. I am going to pass parameter to this method int x. When I run this code, you can see output which is related to parent class related method 1. That means we have defined particular parameter to children class method. We can say this one as method overloading. Same method name but parameters count are different. We can say this one as method overloading. Okay, these are the things regarding my this session. I have explained about inheritance, how to use parent class related method in child class, how to call methods from children class, and as well as I have explained what is the method overriding and overloading. I trust you could grasp my explanation. If you have any comments or suggestions, please share them into the comment section. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.